What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you want your investment tracking in one place? Well, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to link new brokerage or retirement accounts on Empower. Let's get into it. Now the first step is to go to accounts. So from your Empower dashboard you want to click accounts, that's in the top menu. Step 2 is to add accounts. So now that you're there, just select link accounts and then search for your brokerage or retirement provider. Then you're going to sign in securely. So go ahead and enter your login credentials for that provider. Empower uses bank level encryption for safety, so you don't have to worry about your details being exposed. Step 4 is to choose accounts to link. Now you're going to select the specific accounts like the IRA or the 401k or your brokerage accounts that you want to track. Next step is to verify data synchronization. So now you're going to return to your dashboard and confirm balances and holdings that they all appear correctly. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.